Okay, quick video here to cover the connection and setup of Accuware's Count Inventory Management mobile app. Kind of taking you through the initial steps of registering and then configuring and setting up the app, getting it connected to your company file. This is as of March of 2024. There's been lots of enhancements and improvements, so we wanted to kind of give you sort of the new workflow. But your initial entry point, maybe you've seen our video from the App Store on Intuit or on YouTube, but if you get here to the main Accuware website, simply go down to the list of products here and go to the Count Inventory mobile app screen, and then just go ahead and just register for the trial right here. This is kind of just how to get started with the trial, and you'll need to just use your normal email if you'd like, and then set up a password. Go ahead and put that in here. Okay, register. Okay, we've registered for the app. Now, I've already downloaded the app, but it's available for you to download anytime. You'll get a link in the email that you populate in the register screen, but you can also download the desktop component of the app from our support page for the Count Inventory. So basically the link to the Android Play Store is here, and then the link to download the desktop app is right here. It's a real simple download and install. So once you've got the app kind of set up and ready to use, let's go ahead and just start this up. And I've got it installed here, so just go to your list of programs and just log in with those same credentials. Get started. Okay, so the first place you want to go, and we're kind of further refining this a little bit, is you'll go to the admin setup location in the app, and what you're going to do is you're going to connect the company file, and this is going to invoke the authentication screen for third-party apps to QuickBooks. So you'll go ahead and just select this button. You'll see this authentication screen come up from QuickBooks, where you'll just say yes whenever the QuickBooks company file is open, continue, and done. And when you do this step right here, you'll need to have already been logged in to the QuickBooks company file as the QuickBooks admin and in single user mode. And the reason for that is that's the only way that you can get your company file connected. And I'll show you here where that gets shown once you are connected. If you go to the integrated applications list here, so I went to edit preferences and then go to integrated applications, you'll see that the Count Inventory app has been added here now. So, and again, this procedure can only be done when you're logged in as the admin and in single user mode, but that's the only time you ever have to be logged in that way. So now you've connected up the app. So then we can go in here and you can sync the accounts. And the reason we need to do this is when you do an inventory adjustment, QuickBooks requires you to specify an inventory adjustment account that's going to be used. So again, this is the step that's only required by the admin to perform this. Once we get these steps done, you'll be able to log out of this app and log in as just a regular user every day. So you don't need to be an admin on an ongoing basis with this desktop app. So here you can just go ahead and just select an app right here. And we'll just select a time here to use for that. And what this function does is this synchronizes invoices, and we can get into that in a separate video for people that want to pick verify against invoices or even edit invoices. But you can regulate in these settings screens like which of these functions which screens are going to show on the mobile app. So you get a lot of control in here as to which of our functions are going to be reachable, from the users that use the mobile app. But this video is strictly about getting the server app set up. So we'll just save that. Okay, and then so in the general screen here, you could see we're connected to the company file, and we've selected our account. Now what we do is we synchronize the items to just get kind of a snapshot of your items in our software to help speed up when you're searching items on the mobile device. We're still doing the queries to the database for the quantity on hand and updating of the quantity on hand in the QuickBooks database. We're doing all that live, but it's good to synchronize the items to kind of help speed up the ability for us to reach those items from the mobile app. So that's kind of the steps to get the server app installed. Give a call over to Accuware or go to www.accuware-inc.com. We'll have some links down in the description of the video to help you get over to us to ask some questions. We're going to have further videos that show, some of the different functions and what they can do. The popular ones have been, the inventory adjustments and transfers, but we have other functions that we're rolling out pretty frequently to use with the mobile app. Thank you.